Okay, so I'm recording my bike ride there. I don't know how good the audio is going to be, so that's why I'll probably be zoomed up on my face a little bit so I can talk directly into the microphone. We have actually quite of a bike ride. So I don't know how much of this I'll be recording because my battery life, and I didn't realize it is actually quite of a bike ride to get there. And also I don't want people looking at me while I'm talking into my tablet. It makes sense I'd be recording a video though. Now the fun part, the hill. The hill. The hill, the hill. So it's probably a little bit loud in the wind and shit. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm on a bike. But I also kind of want to record me going to the place. One hand. It's chilly as fuck, but I don't care. This motherfucker wants to make some money. So I'm hoping. It is the first night I'll be doing this, so I don't know if I'll find anything or if I find much, but I'm hoping to find something. I notice everyone's first night, they at least find something. So I'll also go through the list of stores I want to go look at. There's about 10, maybe a couple more stores, but there's at least 10 stores I definitely do want to look at. I'm losing my damn breath. So of course I'm gonna check out Walmart. I'll probably take a look at Canadian Tire because you never know, you know. So Walmart, Canadian Tire, the home. Oh, home. Some kind of home store I can see. Now the thing with that is I think that store that I'm talking about, the home something, mostly deals with furniture. Now the thing about furniture is they throw them out. They usually cut the material. That way if you do try and take it, then you know, there's rips in it that you have to try and fix. I'm not gonna waste my time with that. Most people, they don't care, they'll take whatever. That's weird, there's a fence there. But they'll take furniture and shit, because they can fix it, whatever. I'm not looking for that stuff. I'm just looking for electronics, video games, stuff like that. I'll go check out Dollarama, because they can throw good stuff too. Who knows, you know? Any store that has good stuff that you usually go into is usually a good place to go dumpster diving, because you never know what you find. It's called it's called Home Outfitters. I don't think they have much there. So I'll be back. I just got across the street. We're pretty much here. I think I just got to go to the back, I believe, which I have to find how to get to the back, because it looks like there's different. It looks to be like a different a business behind it. So I'll go take a look and I'll be back. So stay tuned.